ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, dulang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bagaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya, kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Tinukot ko ako at tinutulungan, maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, diringgin ko ang payo ng aking magulang. Susundin ko ang tungkulin ng paaralan, tutuparin ko ang tungkulin ng mamamayang makabayan ng lilingkod. Nag-aaral, nagdarasal ng buong kapapatan. Naalay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap pagsisikap sa bansa Pilipinas.
Ang Panatang Makabayan ay atid sa inyo ng Makabayang Pilipino Movement, KBP at ng himpilang ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have concluded another day of broadcasting activities. You've been listening to DZUP 1602, an educational community radio station owned and operated by the University of the Philippines as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission. DZUP operates daily from Monday to Friday from 10 in the morning to 8 in the evening with a power of 5 kilowatts. Our studio is located at the second floor broadcast building, Media Center, College of Mass Communication, University of the Philippines, Diliman. Our transmitter is located at Village B, De Los Reyes Street, UP Campus, Diliman, Quezon City. DZUP is maintained and operated by the following duly licensed personnel. Electronics and Communications Engineer Philip Martinez with license number 0046768. Electronics and Communications Engineer Mark Louis Sarto with license number 0045790. And Electronics Technician Lamberto Rosario with PRC license number 0000272. DZUP 1602 would like to thank the following: Broadcast Marketing and Promotions class, second semester school year 2009 to 2010 of Professor June Austria for producing the slogan Kasali Ka and the tagline Matinong Usapan para sa Maunlad na Bayan, and Robelin Bañez of BC 140 Sound Design class of first semester 2010 to 2011 for producing the station ID. Ladies and gentlemen, DZUP 1602 is now signing off.